Hello, unjani?
Sikhona manje masiphosi siphethe sisisu namhlanje mina linjani?
Yo yini thizama andi right yoqhakha ngesilale apha umvile lo mphanga.
Itheni?
Ndithi kha ngesilale apha umvile lo mphanga.
Umthanga.
Umphanga mama.
Okabani?
Oka Queen Elizabeth.
Wesiboniso ke ngoyithethe bakubani ngalani intoni kuye?
Hayi kalo senthethe ba nami kaloku ungikhathazile mama njani uba ubuze abantu besiyintoni kuyi.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, that was Nozibele Qamngana Mayaba and her mother. Guys, those two have always have their moment. She calls her mother FEZI, and FEZI is always ready to attack. She have those spot on answers, guys. In this video, Nozi was telling her mother that, you know what, we didn't sleep, like we couldn't sleep because of the passing of Queen Elizabeth. Then her mother said, oh okay, I've heard that, but how are you guys related with her? And guys, yeah, I'm telling you, Nozi will make you cry. You laugh until you drop your tears. Nozi once did a scholarship challenge with her, and what uNozi umawake wayethengisa ngomzimba ematrakini. That didn't end well, guys. You can check that video and you will laugh, I'm telling you. Guys, Nozibele Qamngana Mayaba is an HIV activist, a woman you can listen the whole day when she speaks. She have a sense of humor, she's funny, she's loving, she's caring. She's also an author of a book, I'm So Me, where she share a lot about her HIV status, how she finds out, and the journey after finding out that she was positive. She also wrote a children's book, Zuri, if I'm not mistaken, guys. You can follow her on all her social media platform, including YouTube, Nozibele Qamngana Mayaba. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.